Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best spirit levels that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Craftsman Box Torpedo Spirit Level. The Craftsman Box Torpedo Level was a trusty standby, as tested. It has a stout profile that still fits in my tool bag, and it passed an overhead drop test. Its magnetic rail would be helpful for anyone who wants to store it on a toolbox. During the review period, I was most happy with the level's durability. Sometimes, a drop destroys a level. I've seen it happen before. But the Craftsman Box Torpedo didn't budge after several drops on a hardwood floor from overhead height. I did have to drop test it as part of my due diligence, but I would have hated to see the level go. It worked in my tool bag, and it was handy for quick jobs around the house, shimming a cabinet and plumbing my refrigerator. Moving on at number 4, we have the Craftsman Cast Torpedo Spirit Level. Craftsman's Cast Torpedo Level is a very complete tool, with 3 vials including one you can set to read any angle. The center vial is highly magnified for easy reading. The level is made of durable extruded aluminum, and the ends are tapered to save space and weight. But the Craftsman Cast Torpedo's main event is the selectable angle bubble. If you're trying to measure any angle up to and including 90 degrees in either direction, you can set the dial and proceed. When the bubble's between the hairlines, you've got your angle. Get Craftsman's unique Cast Torpedo Level if you need to measure life in 360 degrees. The tool goes beyond the traditional. For more DIY essentials, check out our list of the best laser measuring tools on the market. At number 3, we have the Stabila Spirit Levels Type 19678 Complete Set. German-made Stabila is a leading name in levels. If you're serious about getting any project right, the complete set of Stabila levels can help you get there. It includes 6 levels and a carrying case. The set includes a 10-inch torpedo in 16, 24, 32, 48, and 78-inch box levels. The torpedo level has a magnetic rail. Stabila has a bulletproof reputation among users, and it constructs its levels to last with its proprietary locked vial technology. Stabila is proud of its vials, too. In the words of the manufacturer, they're made with highly transparent, hard-wearing acrylic glass with precision ground inner contours and fluorescent vial fluid. The carrying case protects the kit during transport, and end caps guard each level from impact. At number 2, we have the WORKPRO Spirit Levels 3-piece set. It looks attractive, but I'm gonna call it right now. I wouldn't buy the WORKPRO 3-piece level set for any serious reason. The cheap set includes a 9, 16, and 24-inch level plus a carrying case. The 9-inch torpedo has 3 embedded magnets. There are 2 reasons I would avoid buying these. The first is that if I have a 16-inch level, I don't need a 24-inch level. If WORKPRO included a 4-footer, they'd have more of my attention. But the reality is, you can do just about anything a 24-inch level does with 16 inches. And finally at number 1, we have the Empire E105 Digital Spirit Level. Empire's E105 Digital Spirit Level calibrates automatically to deliver inspector-grade results. The digital display reads in 7 different formats and is complemented by 2 spirit vials. For a precision spirit level, the E105 is a great choice. One of the best level tools around from one of the best level companies in the business, the E105 is capable and diverse. 2 traditional spirit vials with distinctive blue fluid are there, as is the digital display. The digital display has 7 different settings for reading. 4 are precision settings, showing degrees in tenths or hundredths, plus millimeters per meter and percent grade.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.